you ever thought about what happens if you don't pay your credit cards? Well, let me tell you what happens. The original creditor that you have with your credit card can file a debt collection lawsuit against you, just like this one here against our client. Also, very common, they can sell the debt to a debt buyer, just like they have in this situation. This case is a Citibank case. Citibank filed a lawsuit against our client. This case, Citibank sold the debt to a debt purchaser. Now, this is very common in the debt collection industry. A lot of people wonder, is that even legal? Can someone sell my debt? Well, yeah, they can sell your debt to a debt buyer. They package it up with a bunch of other debts and they do a bill of sale. They attach all this to the documentation here. Now here you can see that they filed publicly some account statements. Here we have publicly filed account statements that clients have made. So you gotta remember, like if you default on credit cards, there's a chance they publicly file that with the court. And a lot of people don't really realize that if you don't pay your credit cards, maybe it just goes away, hurts your credit. No, they actually file lawsuits. Either they sell to a debt buyer or they file it themselves. So what happens if you don't pay? Well, if you don't pay and if you don't respond to the lawsuit, they get a default judgment. With a default judgment, many states, they can garnish wages. They can garnish a percentage of your wages. Also, they can clean out your bank account. Okay, these are important things to remember. If you default on credit cards, there's a potential lawsuit that very likely will be filed against you, either by the original creditor or a debt buyer. If you get a lawsuit, take action. Don't just ignore it. Don't just take a default judgment. Consider hiring a debt relief law firm. We've defended tens of thousands of these debt collection lawsuits.